Closer, please.
Closer.
Closer. This close. That close.
Even closer. Yeah, like that. Thank you.
This is now the third time that we've come and asking for provisional orders. And we're asking for provisional orders because the situation in the whole of Gaza, but in particular in Rafah, has changed drastically since the last time we came to the court. What we're seeing is the genocidal acts intensifying, we're seeing the killings intensifying, and our legal teams have demonstrated the facts on these changing circumstances, including the genocidal acts in both Rafah and in Gaza. The legal teams specifically pointed out to the unabated killing since we came here in January, and they pointed out that at least 13,000 people died since we came in January and asked for these provisional orders. What we're asking for is the court to use its powers to stop this carnage. The court to use its powers in an unambiguous way to stop this. That we do not need the court to provide language that infers what Israel must do, that the court must explicitly state that Israel must stop its genocidal acts in Rafah, that it must stop its genocidal acts in Gaza, and that includes an unambiguous call to cease its military operations in Rafah and the whole of Gaza. The court has previously said that its calls for humanitarian aid to be provided unhindered can only be done if there is a ceasefire in place. What our legal team is pointing out is we should not depend on such a ceasefire to come through a political negotiations, because it's not happening, or through some action at the Security Council, because it's not happening. We're asking that the court uses its powers that has been conferred upon through the Genocide Convention to order the acts of genocide to end, and that includes an explicit order for the cessation of hostilities to end.